my name is Amber and I'm the account executive here at WaveRez. Today we are going to go over what the onboarding process looks like here at WaveRez. So first, you would schedule a demo, and you can do so from our website. Just click on schedule a demo and pick a time and day that is good for you. This is going to set up a meeting with our senior product manager, Luke. And he is going to talk to you about your business and talk about our software and just make sure that we're a good fit for you. So once you've decided to onboard with us, he is going to send all of your contact information to me and my team. So once my team gets your contact information, we're going to send you a welcome email. Essentially, this email is going to contain the basic steps to onboarding, as well as just collect some information like your legal contact billing information, as well as your VAR sheet from your processor, and schedule sheets, pricing sheets, any description or trip information that you'd like to provide. So I'd say one of the biggest points of confusion in the onboarding process is probably the Authorizenet setup and processor setup. So essentially, if you already have a processor, like a merchant services account, then you would contact them to get your VAR sheet, see if they work with Authorize.net. Now, if you don't already have a processor, we have some excellent recommendations. If not, you can go ahead and take a look at the payment processors that Authorize.net supports. They have a website that lists their major processors. So essentially what Authorize.net does, it's a gateway. It connects the processor account to our system. So your processor actually processes your transactions, and Authorize.net captures that information to send to your processor from our system. So usually while we're waiting on the VAR sheet from the processor so that we can set up the Authorize.net account, we'll be building out your listings. So all that information that we gathered, the schedules, price sheets, images, descriptions, we're going to be inputting that all into your account at WaveRez and making sure that everything looks good and it's ready to go for training. So once Authorize.net is set up and tested and it's been linked to your account and everything's been built out, we would schedule a training session. So it's usually just a Google Meeting session. We can have as many people in there as if you'd like, your employees and stuff. We can train all at the same time. And we'll just meet, I'll share my screen. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour. And we go over the system, day-to-day use, any questions that you have, any details that we need to edit during the meeting, and future plans for any edits. So after that, you would be considered live. Now, if you needed help implementing the booking portal into your website, we're more than happy to help with that as well. I'd say on average, it takes about 2 weeks from start to finish to complete onboarding. Now, this can vary just depending on mostly the processor and the VAR sheet. If there's already an account created, then it goes pretty fast. If we have to get a processor account set up, it might take some time, but everything on our end can be done in the matter of a couple of days. So like I said, average of 2 weeks, but we can't expedite that just depending on the processor. So once we've completed all of that, training is done, you are officially live and ready to go. So welcome to WaveRez.